Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the month of April. Crazy that I'm saying that already. It's April, but it's true. Okay, so this morning I'm actually going to share a DIY with you. As you probably have guessed, I am not a big DIY person. Quite frankly, if something's already purchased, already made, I'd rather purchase it and save myself the time than make it myself. But I will make an exception because my favorite dishwashing powder is out of stock right now. And I do not want to go back to the hormone disrupting stuff that I can find locally. I want something good that I can make myself. I know exactly what is in it. So, one of my dear friends shared a DIY dishwashing powder recipe. So, since I got to make it anyway, why not make it with you guys too? So, here's what you need. You will need a few simple ingredients. See, I've got my paper here. You will need washing soda, kosher salt, citric acid, baking soda, and citrus oils. Specifically citrus. And we'll go into the whys behind each one kind of while I'm filling it. I am choosing to use, and I would highly recommend, a glass jar. This one is ginormous because this is what I could find. Preferably with a metal lid. You do not want plastic with citrus oils because they break plastic down. So, citrus oils, no plastic, okay? Glass. Metal. All right, that is what I would highly, highly recommend. Because you don't want plastic all over your dishes. Trust me. Alright, so that was me taking this nice brand new metal lid off. So I ended up getting this ginormous container because that is what I could find on short notice. A smaller one would probably be fine. I doubt you need a full gallon container for this recipe unless you're just making tons of it. I'm planning on just making one recipe at this point and seeing how long it lasts me. I'm hoping after one that my beloved Thieves Dishwashing powder will be back in stock. But if it's not, I can always make more because I have these simple ingredients. So the first thing we need is 1 cup of washing soda. And this will raise the cleaning pH to help break down food and grease. So I happen to have the yellow box of washing soda that I found at my local big box store. And I am going to pour in, this is a 1/2 cup measure, so I'm going to be using 2 of these bad boys. So, there goes. Woo! Alright, oop, stop. New box, it's full. 1. And, stop. 2. 2 1/2 cups makes a full cup. Yay! Alright. So there you go. 1 cup of washing soda. To that, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of kosher salt. Kosher salt helps eliminate hard water deposits that can leave spots on your dishes. Good to know. So kosher salt, I've got just a local bottle of kosher salt, again, from my local big box store. Here's a 1/4 cup measure. And we're going to put a 1/4 cup of this lovely kosher salt into my ginormous jar. All right, boom, done. Next, I need a 1/2 cup of citric acid. Again, citric acid gets rid of stuck-on food, helps suspend hard water deposits, and helps remove stains like tea and coffee. Let me tell you, I've got plenty of tea and coffee. All right, citric acid. Again, I think I found this in the canning section of my local big box store. 1/2 cup, so I'm back to my 1/2 cup measure. And I'm going to put this in my big ginormous jar with the other ingredients. Whoop, there we go. It's a nice fine powder too. And yes, citric acid does come from citrus fruits. Citrus fruits. Oh my goodness, I can't talk. Breathing in fumes. So, here's what the jar is looking like. As you can tell, it's ginormous. It's got tons of space. And then our final powder ingredient is going to be 1/2 cup of baking soda. I do tend to buy baking soda in bulk at another local big box store. So I'm just going to dig out 1/2 cup of that and add it to my jar. Let me grab the 1/2 cup. So I just need one of these. Make sure it's nice and full. There we go. Nice and level. Dump that in. Trying not to make a mess all over my laptop here, because I love you guys. But I still need my computer to work. All right, close that up. And then to all these wonderful powders that are now just kind of coating the bottom of my ginormous jar, I'm going to add 40 drops of oil. It says citrus. Now, if I had it on hand, I'd actually do a mix of citrus and Thieves. I'm a little low on Thieves. So what I'm going to do today is I've got some lime. If I can turn it so you can see it. There we go. Lime. Some lemon. And I'm going to add a little bit of clove, because I adore clove and citrus. It's a beautiful blend, and clove is one of the oils in Thieves anyway. So I'm going to do just a little bit of that. So it says 40 drops of each. So what I'm going to do is 15 each of the lemon and the lime, and then 10 of the clove. So let me grab my lime and let me bring my jar over here so it's a little bit closer. I have to reach across the whole table. And now I'll just count out my drops here as soon as I find. If you ever wonder, there's a little tiny hole on the side. The big ginormous hole in the middle is the air hole. If you look around the edge, there's a tiny little pinprick hole. That's where your oil comes out of, not the big ginormous one. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We'll stop there. Very good. Same thing with the lemon. I just love lemon lime. It's a great combination. And I mean, who doesn't love the cleaning power of lemon, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yay! And then just 10 of clove for good measure. Again, if I had some Thieves, I would use that. My Thieves is actually en route. It just hasn't arrived yet. There we go. Clove's a little slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So not all oils flow at the same rate. Some oils are thicker, they flow a little slower. Some oils are thinner, they flow a lot faster. So just be aware when you are pouring out your essential oils that they don't all come out at the same rate. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shake this bad boy up. And I've got some lumps in there, probably from my baking soda. And what I'll do is probably just get a long handle spoon and kind of break those up. Again, not plastic, like a wooden spoon, because those citrus oils are going to eat up your plastic. Anyway, so there you go. Ta-da! Now I have plenty of dishwashing powder for my dishwasher until my Thieves comes back in stock, in which case I will use that. But for now, this is what I got. This is what I'm going to use. So, I hope that was helpful. As always, if you guys have any questions, anything, comments, whatever, drop them below. Send me a message. I love hearing from you guys. Hey, if you have a topic you want me to talk about, let me know. I don't mind. I will do my best. All right, guys. I love ya. And I will talk to you later. Until next time. Bye.